There is something universally thrilling about the machines that move. We are at the Kontexera Auto Show, where mechanical brilliance meets the open track, where the students who have spent months in fabricating, calibrating, and fine tuning finally get to let their creation loose. Auto Show is not just the display, it is the demonstration. Each vehicle is designed with the purpose, tested for performance, and to prove the point that right knowledge and enough persistence, we can almost build anything.